I'm Tim Sulloli. I am a medical malpractice attorney and personal injury lawyer at the law firm Goodman Acker. A stroke occurs when a blood clot blocks a blood vessel to the brain, disrupting the blood flow, and as a result someone suffers a stroke, which could result in paralysis over some portion of that person's body. Strokes will happen, but where we see most medical malpractice cases is when medical professionals fail to properly diagnose a stroke and properly and timely treat that stroke. Oftentimes, a medical professional or hospital staff should order a CAT scan or a CT scan to determine whether there in fact is a bleed going on in somebody's brain. That is the most critical diagnostic type of test that needs to be performed if somebody is suspected of having a stroke. Once the CT results confirm that somebody is undergoing a stroke, it is critical that the proper treatment be provided to that person. By way of example, oftentimes medical professionals should order anticoagulation drugs which will stop the effects of a stroke. And those drugs need to be administered as soon as possible. The longer that there's a delay in providing that medication, the more deficits that individual could have with that stroke, or they could even die. So that's oftentimes where we see most medical malpractice cases, is where medical professionals fail to timely administer those medications to stop the effects of a stroke. People will defer to these physicians because they think, well, hey, they're a medical professional, they're educated, and I should just believe what they tell me. Oftentimes, these medical professionals will not tell you that they failed to do something proper. And that's where it's important to contact Goodman Acker. We will investigate the claim and determine whether that medical professional actually committed malpractice and failed to properly diagnose or treat that stroke, and whether your injuries or damage are as a result of that medical malpractice.